Procurement departments are responsible for handling many important tasks at a company, from registering new suppliers to agreeing on terms of their business relationship, from issuing purchase orders to authorizing payments. Here too, digital transformation has arrived to make these transactions easier and simpler, optimizing what could otherwise be extremely long processes by introducing e-procurement solutions. Apart from the needs of the purchasing department itself, where employees have to master many complex processes on the e-procurement platform, we also need to consider the supplier's needs. Very often, large companies require that suppliers use the same portal to receive orders and send invoices. Well, we know how challenging it can be to provide software training and support to your own employees, let alone to other companies' personnel. How then to manage training and support efficiently to all involved in procurement tasks? No worries, Newired is here for you. We provide a user-friendly authoring environment for non-technical people to easily design and create the guides, announcements, tooltips, polls, and other content that will be implemented on your web application and available in context when it's needed by those who matter the most, the users. Journeys, one of the products by Newired, are step-by-step tutorials which guide users through the completion of any task on web-based software. Tips, our second product, are contextual pieces of information placed next to page elements. The key benefits for e-procurement products and solutions are to streamline company processes and make them transparent. Newired guidance makes the process easy to understand, helping to reduce silos between different departments. Newired contributes directly to cost savings. Let's take a look at 3 example journeys on Precoro, an e-procurement platform. The first journey helps users create a new purchase order, a daily operation for procurement teams. Here we have a simple example of process which could be very useful in the onboarding of new users. But journeys could be adopted even in more complex scenarios, for example when processes span through different applications, which could well be the case for this task. Our second journey shows users how to edit a budget. Budgets commonly need to be adjusted, and when this happens, it's important that employees perform the task without wasting